31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And looking west over top of Huntsville here at 10 o'clock, this view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing, a construction sky camera network. You can even see a little bit of that haze even through the city lights here this evening. Just all that stagnant air and even that lid of that high pressure dome sitting right on top of us. So that air pollution, the dust, even the smoke from some of those brush fires, it just continues to add up each day. So the air quality getting a little bit worse as we head through the rest of this week. It's 84 degrees right now in Huntsville. Heat index still at 92 degrees. We also have a little bit of what's called the urban heat island effect. So all that concrete, asphalt, the buildings, also keeping some of that heat in here in the overnight hours, just making for some uncomfortable conditions overnight. Now, something I continue to get from a lot of people, isn't this kind of normal? Don't we see conditions like this quite often every summer? If you go back to yesterday, we hit 108 for a heat index at the Huntsville International Airport. We have not hit 108 or higher since 2019. So we didn't do it in 2021 or 2020. And if you go back over the last 10 years, we only did it 5 days, again, out of 10 years. So again, it's not that common. And that's why you should take that heat index very seriously against that air temperature plus the humidity. A look at our feels like forecast. This is right around lunchtime tomorrow. Already starting to see those values back above 100. Again, this is what it feels like. And right around 103, though I do expect some spots back above 105 for tomorrow. You'll notice this area right here, a little bit cooler coming in by 7 o'clock. That because maybe thunderstorms moving in from out of the east. So that poll forecast for tomorrow, yeah, we have the straight thunderstorm threat. We've got the heat, the humidity, but do not forget the sun protection. UV index is back into the extreme range for tomorrow. So look at the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. We're dry, but again, something I pointed out earlier today, these things are what we call MCSs, and these are big thunderstorm complexes that develop in the summer months. And you'll notice that this one rotated all the way around the high. Again, this formed all the way back into Minnesota, Illinois yesterday. And again, it rotated again on the backside of that high. And that actually brought severe weather into Georgia and into Alabama earlier this evening. It's now starting to fall apart. But again, that took about 30 to 36 hours for that to do that. And you can see the overall shape for tomorrow. You can see how these storms could be dropping down once again on the backside of the high. And that orange that you see that comes very close to parts of North Alabama, that is a 2 out of 5 severe risk. So that's something we'll be watching closely for your Wednesday. So look at future radar. This is right around 7:30 tomorrow morning, clear skies. We may see a few pop-up isolated showers and storms around 4 o'clock. No big deal, right? But again, look off to the east. Again, similar to what we saw today. You get these thunderstorm complexes that race through areas off to the east and northeast, and then that could bring some stronger storms into places like DeKalb, Jackson, and even parts of Marshall County before falling apart. Again, something we'll monitor again through the evening hours tomorrow. How about the humidity? We're still tracking all this humidity in place through your Wednesday into your Thursday, but then we will be tracking some much drier air building in from out of the north by this weekend. So that's the relief heading in. Unfortunately, it's not going to last long. We're back up to the upper 90s by Monday and into Tuesday.
All right, Rob, thanks.